Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English with Podcast. I'm Anna. Today's episode is special because you will master 50 sentences in just some minutes. Sentences that native speakers use every single day.
And I'm Peter. From wake up to lunchtime, these lines are short, natural, and practical. If you shadow with us, you'll speak more clearly and confidently.
Here's the plan. Listen first, then repeat each sentence twice with us. Copy our rhythm and intonation.
Don't stress about grammar. Just let your mouth learn the flow of English. Ready to start?
Let's go. Morning routine all the way to 1 p.m.
I turn off the alarm and take a deep breath. I turn off the alarm and take a deep breath. I sit up slowly and stretch my back. I sit up slowly and stretch my back. I put on my slippers and stand up. I put on my slippers and stand up. I walk to the bathroom with sleepy eyes. I walk to the bathroom with sleepy eyes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I rinse my mouth and feel awake. I rinse my mouth and feel awake. I wash my face with cool water. I wash my face with cool water. I comb my hair and fix the part. I comb my hair and fix the part. I apply a little face cream. I apply a little face cream. I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile.
Nice and steady. Keep the same pace. Clear consonants. Smooth vowels.
I open the curtains and let the light in. I open the curtains and let the light in. I make the bed nice and flat. I make the bed nice and flat. I walk to the kitchen and wash my hands. I walk to the kitchen and wash my hands. I fill a glass and drink some water. I fill a glass and drink some water. I start the coffee machine. I start the coffee machine. I toast 2 slices of bread. I toast 2 slices of bread. I scramble 2 eggs in a pan. I scramble 2 eggs in a pan. I cut a piece of fruit for breakfast. I cut a piece of fruit for breakfast. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I check today's schedule on my phone. I check today's schedule on my phone.
Quick poll. Coffee team or tea team? Tell us in the comments.
You know I'm coffee all the way. Back to shadowing. I choose comfortable clothes for the day. I choose comfortable clothes for the day. I put on socks and tidy shoes. I put on socks and tidy shoes. I pack my wallet, keys, and phone. I pack my wallet, keys, and phone. I place a bottle of water in my bag. I place a bottle of water in my bag. I check the weather before I leave. I check the weather before I leave. I lock the door and head out. I lock the door and head out. I walk to the bus stop at a steady pace. I walk to the bus stop at a steady pace. I wait for the bus and watch the street. I wait for the bus and watch the street. I get on the bus and tap my card. I get on the bus and tap my card. I find a seat and put on my headphones. I find a seat and put on my headphones.
Great work. Breathe, relax your shoulders, and match our intonation.
I arrive at work and greet the guard. I arrive at work and greet the guard. I say good morning to my coworkers. I say good morning to my coworkers. I turn on the computer and open my apps. I turn on the computer and open my apps. I check emails and answer the urgent ones. I check emails and answer the urgent ones. I write a short to-do list for today. I write a short to-do list for today. I review my calendar and set reminders. I review my calendar and set reminders. I join a quick stand-up meeting. I join a quick stand-up meeting. I share my plan in a few clear sentences. I share my plan in a few clear sentences. I close notifications and focus on one task. I close notifications and focus on one task. I take a 2-minute stretch at my desk. I take a 2-minute stretch at my desk.
Halfway. Drop a heart if you're shadowing right now. We're cheering for you.
I wash my hands and prepare for lunch. I wash my hands and prepare for lunch. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I heat my lunch in the microwave. I sit with a coworker and chat softly. I sit with a coworker and chat softly. I drink water and take small bites. I drink water and take small bites. I put my phone away while I eat. I put my phone away while I eat. I finish lunch and clean my spot. I finish lunch and clean my spot. I check the time. It's almost 1. I check the time. It's almost 1. I review my notes for the afternoon. I review my notes for the afternoon. I send a quick update to my team. I send a quick update to my team. I take a deep breath and reset my mind. I take a deep breath and reset my mind.
Amazing job. 50 real-life lines, repeated twice. That's serious practice.
If this helped, save the video and replay it tomorrow. Repetition builds fluency.
Want part 2 for the afternoon and evening? Tell us in the comments what you want next.
And don't forget to subscribe to Fluent English with Podcast, hit the like button, and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson.
Keep shadowing, keep improving. You're doing great. See you in the next episode.